Hi, Alice. Thanks for sending us an email. I see you've got a micro droner of a Mavic Mini SE, and you're asking about flying at more than 120 meters above ground and less than 30 meters away from people, and you live downtown in Montreal. So, good news, anything that's under 250 or 249 grams is a micro drone, so it's actually exempt from any kind of licensing. You don't need a basic and you don't need an advanced to operate that Mini. Even if you're flying for money or commercially, or if you're flying within 100 feet or 30 meters from people. So as it is right now, you're good to go. You don't need a certificate. It would be a good idea to maybe consider getting the basic, because then if you happen to modify your drone so that it's more than 250 grams, you're still able to register and fly that drone more than 30 meters away from people. If you also want to get your advanced, you can use the Mini to get your advanced. You would have to modify it, register it, and then go and do the advanced pilot certificate exam, as well as do a flight review. And so the drone's got a lot of versatility. That's a great drone to own and learn to fly with and grow with, because you can use it for fun or for some work as well. Hopefully this answers your questions. Give me a shout at ian@coastaldrone.co or give us a call if you have any more questions. Have a great day. Bye-bye.